Remember talking about the order, how big it was? You put the number of what first? If I want to say
alphabet.
the alphabet.
X, Y, Z.
No. I'm talking, I got a matrix. I want to see how large it is, the order. Like a 2 by 5, 3 by 3, 2 by 3. What do I put first?
Bro.
All right, let me just get an example out here. Okay, so this first matrix I have over to the left. That's a what? That's what size matrix over here? 2 by 3. Everyone rows times columns, and then what's the one next to it? Okay, here's the rule. If you want to add or subtract 2 or more matrices, they all have to be the same size. Okay, it's not like I can have a 2 by 3 matrix and try to add that to a 3 by 3. It's not going to happen. Okay, they do have to be the same size, so just watch out for that. How do I add them up? It looks probably what you're thinking right now is exactly what you do. Whatever's in 1, 1, you add it to whatever's in 1, 1 here. And that becomes your new 1, 1 in your answer. So 0 plus -2, -2. 5, I'm going across the rows now. 5 plus 3, I got an 8 here now. And then 3 plus 5, I got another. Sorry. Yeah, 8. I don't know why I blanked there. All right. That's as easy as it is. Your answer should be the same size as the other two. Okay. Should not be any bigger or smaller than the other two. So if I keep going, we should get a 5 here, a -3, and a -2. Any issues? Okay. I do worry a little bit when we go subtracting. Keep the signs under control. All right. Be aware of the signs. Because take a look here. Right away, -6 minus a -5. That's going to become +5, isn't it? So I'm going to end up with a -1 there. Everyone following here? Watch out for the signs. 7 minus 6, I get a 1. 2 minus 0, 2. -3 minus a -4 becomes +4, so that becomes 1. And again, whatever your answer is should be the same size as the originals. All right, no big deal. Adding and subtracting, hopefully. All right, I'm not going to multiply though yet. Multiplying is a whole different ballgame, so I'm going to wait until the middle, towards the end of the unit to multiply. But what we will do though is we'll take a matrix and multiply by a single number. Okay, I don't want to multiply 2 matrices yet. We're not ready for that, but we can multiply a matrix by a single number. So I want to multiply matrix A by 4. And it's exactly probably what you think it is. Except I don't call it matrix A. Take a look. I'm going to call it matrix 4A, saying I'm multiplying matrix A by 4. And what do? You multiply everything inside by 4. Woo! 8, -12, 20, 0. All right, so there it is. And now the only other thing we're going to do today is combine them, multiply and add at the same time. So go ahead, do it part A, -5 times matrix B. And then on part B, now we're multiplying and adding. Hey, everyone, your order of operation rules still apply. Multiply first, add second. Okay, multiply. So multiply matrix A by 2, multiply matrix B by 3, and then add those two up at the end. Okay, don't try to add them up first. So do 2 times matrix A first. And then add them up.
It's supposed to be -1.
Relax. Why don't you go back to your other work you're doing there, huh? Like I don't notice that. All right, all good? All right, let's just get a little bit more sophisticated, and that's all I'm going to have for you. -1/3 A minus matrix B. What's the result? Are we all in agreement? You don't have to do anything to matrix B. I could just rewrite that minus. All right, so I have to do -1/3 times matrix A. Now, let's talk here. Because I don't want to see everyone just keep pressing buttons on the calculator going -1/3 times this, -1/3 times this, -1/3 times this. You've been around the block here, seniors, quite a bit. Multiplying by 1/3 is the same as what? Dividing by 3, yeah. So if you don't want to keep punching it in your fraction template into your calculator and plugging in -1/3, it's the same as dividing all those numbers in A by -3. All right, so you pick what's the best for you. All right, pick what's best for you. I just, instead of all this typing in the calculator, just divide everything by -3 in matrix A. Same thing, but if you're uncomfortable doing that or you think you're going to forget, just use your calculator, multiply everything by -1/3. Remember, you're multiplying by a negative. Watch out for your signs. That's the only thing I'm nervous about. Watch out for your signs.
What? Not at all. Oh my gosh. Matrices.
Is it easy to understand? Yep. Simple mistakes can happen, though, as some of you are starting to see. All good?
Right.
Because I'm going to let you do the next one on your own, and then we'll do the last one together again. So just make sure we match this final matrix here, 2x4 at the end. Okay, go ahead and try that next one on your own. Put my work up here so you can check when you're done.
How is that?
Okay, what do we got
No,
now?
I'm sorry, but
Holy shit.
is it negative
It's
2 or 2
5.
for in the A? It would be 1, 3. Like row 1 and then
Where are we looking here?
column negative 2. Wouldn't that be 2?
This negative 2?
No, the other one in that.
Oh, my
This one?
Yeah.
It's the same as B. This is matrix B. I just copied it over.
Oh, that one's made. Oh.
This, yeah. All I'm just going by what I didn't. I know you guys probably switched it, which is fine because it's addition and you can do addition both ways. But hey, all I did was I took matrix
No,
B,
I understand.
wrote it here. Okay. I'm doing B plus 1/5 in that order. If you did 1/5 A plus B, it's fine because remember addition can go both ways.
Never mind.
We all good here? Let me know here because this next one could get a little tricky. Okay, let's talk about the next one. No issues with matrix A. You're going to multiply by negative 1/3, or if you choose, divide by negative 3. We talked about that. My question to everybody is, what are you going to do to matrix B?
Multiply by negative 6. Multiply by 6.
Okay, great. 2 different responses, which I wanted. 2 correct answers. You just got to watch out at the end, though. If you multiply by take a look. If you multiply by 6, you still have to subtract them. But if you multiply by negative 6, you got rid of that subtraction sign. So at the end with the 2 matrices, I need to add them together. All right? You can't multiply matrix B by negative 6 and subtract them. That's two subtraction signs, and you don't have that. So if you decide to multiply by negative 6, that's fine. It just turns into this now. Negative 1/3 A plus whatever you got when you multiplied by negative 6. So you decide, okay? And make sure, but you can't multiply by negative 6 and subtract. That's a no-go. You can multiply by 6 and subtract, or multiply by negative 6 and add. All right? Just get concerned there. I don't care what you do with matrix B, but make sure you either add them or subtract them correctly at the end. So let's see if we can do that here and match at the end. I am choosing to multiply by negative 6. So
I can't believe someone did that.
I don't care what you did, whether you multiplied by 6 or negative 6. This is our final matrix here at the end. And the same thing will happen tomorrow. Come in, Delta Math. It'll probably take you a little bit longer than yesterday's, but